We'll start with the today's session. Sorry, I couldn't go through the most of the recordings. I'll be reviewing and I'll let you know by tonight around 11 o'clock. I'll finish the review, or else I'll finish by tomorrow morning. So we'll start with the today's class. So before starting, we'll just review the yesterday's learning. I'll just share the screen. Yeah. Fine. So we did 13, 14 and 15 yesterday. So we'll start with the 13, 14 and 15. I'll take it slowly without a tune. We'll start with the 13. Kada nilimpa nirjhari nikunja kotare vasan vimukta durmati sadashira stamanjalim vahan vimukta lola lochano lalama bhala lagnaka shiveti mantra mucharan sada sukhi bhavamyaham idam hi nityameva mukta mutta mottamam stavam patan smaran bruvan naro vishuddhi meti santatam hare gaurav subhakti mashu yati nanyata gatim vimohanam hi dehinam sushankarasya chintanam nilimpa nata nagari kadamba maula mallika nigumpa nirbaraksharan madhushnika manohara tano tuno mano mudam vinodini maharnisham parashriya param padam tadangajatvi shanchaya. Any doubt in 13, 14 and 15? You can just unmute and you can just ask me. Okay, I hope everyone is comfortable. We'll go with the last three stanzas of a Shiva Tandava. We'll start with the 16th one. So the letters which is in a purple is a new addition. So we can just add these two letters, the N and the D, in the 16th stanza. However, you'll be getting a new PDF today and also the new recording where I'll chant from first to the end, 1 to 18. So with the tune, without tune, both the recordings will be sent along with the today's recording. We'll start with the 16th. Prachanda Vada. So in Prachanda, N, if you can observe, it's a capital letter. So tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Prachanda, Prachanda, Tandava, Vada, Vada, Vanala. I'll take all the three words. Prachanda, Vada, Vanala. Prachanda, Vada, Vanala. Prabha, Bha needs to be stressed. Prabha, Shubha, again Bha needs to be stressed in Shubha. Prabha, Shubha, Pracharini. Here if you observe, Na has to touch upper palate of your mouth and Ni needs to be extended. Pracharini. I'll repeat. Prabha, Shubha, Pracharini. Prabha, Shubha, Pracharini. I'll repeat the whole line. Prachanda, Vada, Vanala, Prabha, Shubha, Pracharini. Little faster. Prachanda, Vada, Vanala, Prabha, Shubha, Pracharini. We'll go with the second line. Mahashta, Ha is extension. Mahashta, Siddhi, D needs to be stressed. Mahashta, Siddhi, Kamini, Ni is extension. Mahashta, Siddhi, Kamini, Mahashta Siddhi Kamini, Janava Janava, Huta, who is extension, Huta, Jalpana, Jalpana, Mahashta Siddhi Kamini, Janava, Huta, Jalpana. Any doubt in the second line? We'll go with the third one. Vimukta Vama Lochana. Lo is extension, Na is extension. Vimukta Vama Lochana. Vivaha Kalika Dwani. Dha needs to be stressed. Vivaha Kalika Dwani. Vivaha Kalika Dwani. I'll take the entire line. Vimukta Vama Lochana Vivaha Kalika. So here the first ka is extension, the last ka is not extended. Kalika Dwani. Any doubt in the third line? We'll go with the fourth one. Shiveti. Ve is extension. Shiveti Mantra Bhushana. Here Bhu needs to be stressed and Na has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Shiveti Mantra Bhushana. Shiveti Mantra Bhushana. Na is an extension. Jaga Jayaya. Jagajayaya. So if you observe, there are two J here. Give a little stress for the letter Jagajayaya. So both will go together. Jagajayaya. Jayatam. Ja is extension, Ta is extension. All the three words will go together. Jagajayaya Jayatam. I'll take the entire line. Shiveti Mantra Bhushana Jagajayaya Jayatam. I'll go with the entire 16th stanza. Prachanda Vada Vanala Prabha Shubha Pracharini Mahashta Siddhi Kamini Janava Huta Jalpana Vimukta Vama Lochana Vivaha Kalika Dwani Shiveti Mantra Bhushana Jagajayaya Jayatam. Any doubt in the 16th stanza? You can just unmute and you can ask me. Okay. We'll go with the 17th one. In 17th, the repeated word is a namami. So we'll start with the 17th. Namami Parvati Patim. Parvati Patim. Namami Parvati Patim. Namami Jahnavi Patim. So here, Ha and a Na is a compound letter. Hna. Jahnavi Patim. So Ha will become slightly silent. Jahnavi Patim. Namami Parvati Patim. Namami Jahnavi Patim. So Pati is a husband. Namami Bhakta. Bha needs to be stressed. Bhakta. Ka and Ta is a compound here. Bhakta Vatsalam. Bhakta Vatsalam. Bhakta Vatsalam. Namami Bhalalochanam. Bha needs to be stressed. Bhalalochanam. I'll repeat. Bhakta Vatsalam. Bhalalochanam. We'll go with the third. Namami Chandrashekaram. Chandrashekaram. Ka needs to be stressed. Namami Dukkha Mochanam. Dukkha is a sadness. Dukkha. Ka needs to be stressed. Dukkha Mochanam. Chandra Shekharam Dukkha Mochanam. I'll repeat from the beginning. Parvati Patim Jahnavi Patim Bhakta Vatsalam Bhala Lochanam Chandra Shekharam Dukkha Mochanam. We'll come to the last line. Tadiya Pada is a feet, Pankajam, we'll take it together. Tadiya Pada Pankajam Smaramyaham. So both the word will go together. Smaram Yaham. Smaram Yaham together. Smaramyaham Nateshwaram. So when you say Nate, te needs to be extended. Nateshwaram. I'll take it together. Smaramyaham Nateshwaram. Entire line. Tadiya Pada Pankajam Smaramyaham Nateshwaram. Tadiya Pada Pankajam Smaramyaham Nateshwaram. We'll take the entire stanza. Namami Parvati Patim. Namami Jahnavi Patim. Namami Bhakta Vatsalam. Namami Bhala Lochanam. Namami Chandra Shekharam. Namami Dukkha Mochanam. Tadiya Pada Pankajam Smaramyaham Nateshwaram. Any doubt in the 17th one? We'll go with the last stanza. Pujava. Pu needs to be extended. Pujava Sana Samaye. Ye needs to be extended. Samaye. I'll take all the three together. Pujavasana Samaye. Pujavasana Samaye. Dasha Vaktra. So here if you observe, Ka and Ta is a compound letter. Ktra. Dasha Vaktra. Vaktra. Just like a Rakta. Rakta is a blood. It's a Vaktra. Vaktra. Geetam. I'll take all the three together. Dasha Vaktra Geetam. Dasha Vaktra Geetam. Entire line. Pujavasana Samaye. Dasha Vaktra Geetam. Yah. So just give a her sounding here. Yah or yah. So whichever is comfortable for you. Yah Shambhu. Bhu needs to be stressed. Shambhu. Pujana Param. Pujana Param. We'll take all the four together. Yah Shambhu. Pujana Param. Pathati. Tha needs to be stressed. Pathati. Pradoshe. Pradoshe. So here after D the H is missing. You can just put H or else it will sound like a do actually. So just mention H, it will become a doshe. I'll take all the three words together now. Pujana Param Pathati Pradoshe. Entire line. Yah Shambhu Pujana Param Pathati Pradoshe. Yah Shambhu Pujana Param Pathati Pradoshe. We'll go with the third line. Tasya. Tasya. Stiram. So Tha needs to be stressed. Stiram. Ratha. Tha needs to be stressed. Ratha. Gajendra. Extend the A. Gajendra. Tasya Stiram Rathak Gajendra. Turanga. Turanga Yukta yuktam, turanga yuktam. I'll take the entire line. Tasya stiram ratha gajendra turanga yuktam. Tasya stiram ratha gajendra turanga yuktam. Last line. Lakshmim. It's not just Lakshmi. Lakshmim. If you observe M-E-E-M. So Lakshmim. Sadaiva. Sumukhim. Kha needs to be stressed. So all the three words together. Lakshmim. Sadaiva. Sumukhim. Pradadati. Pradadati. Shambhuhu. Shambhuhu. Pradadati Shambhuhu. Bha needs to be stressed. I'll take the entire line, the fourth line. Lakshmim Sadaiva Sumukhim Pradadati Shambhuhu. I'll take from the beginning. Pujava Sana Samaye Dasha Vaktra Geetam Yah Shambhu Pujana Param Pathati Pradoshe Tasya Stiram Ratha Gajendra Turanga Yuktam Lakshmim Sadaiva Sumukhim Pradadhati Shambhuhu. Any doubt in the 18th stanza? Okay. So the last two lines is iti. So iti says that, so that's it. Here, Shri Shiva Tandava. Here I can exclude the Shri. Iti Shri Shiva Tandava Stotram Sampurnam. So here we are completing the Shiva Tandava Stotram. Sampurna is a completion. Iti Shri Shiva Tandava Stotram Sampurnam. We'll say from the 16. Prachanda Vada Vanala Prabha Shubha Pracharini Mahashta Siddhi Kamini Janava Huta Jalpana Vimukta Vama Lochana Vivaha Kalika Dhvani Shiveti Mantra Bhushana Jagadjayaya Jayatam Namami Parvati Patim Namami Jahnavi Patim Namami Bhaktavatsalam Namami Bhalalochanam Namami Chandrashekharam Namami Dukkha Mochanam Tadiya Pada Pankajam Smaramyaham Nateshwaram Pujava Sana Samaye Dasha Vaktra Geetam Yah Shambhu Pujana Param Pathati Pradoshe Tasya Stiram Ratha Gajendra Turanga Yuktam Lakshmim Sadaiva Sumukhim Pradadati Shambhuhu. Any doubt in 16, 17 and 18? Okay. So we'll say from the beginning, from the first stanza. I won't take the tune because most of the people, they won't be able to hear the tune. So I'll go with only the chanting version, but however I'll be sending you the entire recording with the tune. I'll take it little faster. Just try to match it along with me. So we'll see how it goes. Jatatavi galajjala pravaha pavitastade gade valambya lambitam bhujanga tunga malikam damad 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 dama ninada vaddamad vayam chakara chanda tandavam tanotu na shiva shivam जटाकटाह संभ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्झरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टपावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरि रतिप्रतिक्षणं मम धराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलासबन्धुबन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्तसन्तति प्रमोदमानमानसे कृपाकटाक्षधोरणी निरुद्धदुद्धरापदी क्वचिद्दिगम्बरे मनोविनोदमेतु वस्तुनि जटाभुजङ्गपिङ्गळस्फुरत्फणामणिप्रभा कदम्बकुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्तदिग्वधूमुखे मदान्धसिन्धुरस्फुरत्वगुत्तरीयमेदुरे मनोविनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूतभर्तरि सहस्रलोचनप्रभृत्य शेषलेखशेखरप्रसूनधूलिधोरणी विधूसराङ्घ्रि पीठभू भुजङ्गराजमालया निबद्धजाटजूटका श्रियैचिराय जायतां चकोरबन्धुशेखर ललाटचत्वरज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जयस्फुलिङ्गबा निपीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेकया विराजमानशेखरं महाकपालिसम्पदे शिरोजटालमस्तु नः कराळभालपट्टिकधगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जयाहुतीकृतप्रचण्डपञ्चसायके धराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्रपत्रकप्रकल्पनैकशिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्मम नवीनमेघमण्डली निरुद्धदुद्धरस्फुरत्कुहूनिशीतिनीतमप्रबन्धबद्धकन्धर निलिम्पनिर्जरीधरस्तनोतु कृत्तिसिन्धुराकळानिधानबन्धुरश्रियं जगद्दुरन्धर प्रफुल्लनीलपङ्कजा प्रपञ्चकालिमप्रभावलम्बिकण्ठकन्दली रुचिप्रबद्धकन्दरं स्मरच्चिदं पुरच्चिदं भवच्चिदं मखच्चिदं गजच्चिदान्धकच्चिदं तमन्तकच्चिदं भजे अखर्वसर्वमङ्गला कला कदम्बमञ्जरी रसप्रवाहमाधुरी विजृम्भणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे जयत्वदभ्रविभ्रमभ्रमद्भुजङ्गमश्वसद्विनर्गमत्क्रमत्स्फुरत्करालभालहव्यवाट् धिमिद्दिमिद्दिमिद्वनन् मृदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गलध्वनिक्रमप्रवर्तित प्रचण्डताण्डव शिव दृशद्विचित्रतल्पयोर्भुजङ्गमौक्तिकस्रजोर्गरिष्ठरत्नलोष्टयो सुहृद्विपक्षपक्षयो तृणारविन्दचक्षुषो प्रजामही महीन्द्रयो समं प्रवर्तयन्मन कदा सदा शिवं भजे कदा निलिम्पनिर्जरी निकुञ्जकोटरे वसन् विमुक्तदुर्मती सदा शिरस्तमञ्जलिं वहन् विमुक्तलोललोचनो ललामबाललग्नक शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् सदा सुखी भवाम्यहम् इदं हि नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन्नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यता गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनम् निलिम्पनाथनागरी कदम्बमौलमल्लिका निगुम्पनिर्भरक्षरन्मधुष्णिका मनोहर तनोतु नो मनोमुदं विनोदिनी महर्निशं परश्रियं परं पदं तदङ्गजत्विषाञ्चय प्रचण्डवाडवानला प्रभाशुभप्रचारिणी महाष्टसिद्धिकामिनी जनावहूतजल्पना विमुक्तवामलोचना विवाहकालिकध्वनी शिवेति मन्त्रभूषणा जगज्जयाय जायताम् नमामि पार्वतीपतिं नमामि जाह्नवीपतिं नमामि भक्तवत्सलं नमामि बाललोचनं नमामि चन्द्रशेखरं नमामि दुःखमोचनं तदीयपादपङ्कजं स्मराम्यहं नटेश्वरम् पूजावसानसमये दशावक्त्रगीतं यः शम्भूपूजनपरं पठति प्रदोषे तस्य स्थिरां रथगजेन्द्रतुरङ्गयुक्तां लक्ष्मीं सदैव सुमुखीं प्रददाति शम्भुः इति श्री शिवताण्डवस्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्. Om Namah Shivaya. Any doubt in any of the stanza? You can just unmute and you can ask me. I think it's comfortable for everyone. Okay. So I'll be sending the tune with the tune. So before going with the tune, so whatever you listen to today in the chanting version, right? So get into that speed. You can even make it much more speed also. So when you go a little faster and faster, what happens is, yes, I'll update the PDF. I'll send you the updated PDF. So when you go with faster and faster, the reading version, the chanting version, your tune will fix naturally. And most importantly, when you chant, just make sure that you are taking the right extensions and the right stress and the exactly where the tongue has to touch the upper palate of your mouth, where you have to give the stress, the extension part. So these 3 points, just keep a note on these things whenever you go with the chanting. That's it. So apart from that, it will be fine. Any questions, you can just ask me. No questions. Okay then. Sorry, with the tune no one will be able to hear, so I am not going to use the tune in the class, but you will be getting the recording with the tune, the entire recording from 1st to 18th. You will get the entire recording. Okay, so next class I won't be able to take it. Actually, there are classes on 30th and 31st. On 30th, I won't be able to take the class, so I will be taking on the 1st of February. So it will be on 31st and the 1st on the same time. Timing will be the same thing. I hope it's comfortable for everyone. So, but make sure you practice every day, because I won't be chanting on 31st and the 1st, last 2 classes. It's every one of you will be chanting in the class. So keep up the practice and do let me know in case of any doubts and the questions. Okay then, thank you so much. Take care. Good night. I'll see you all. Namaste. Thank you.